Is it on?
Yeah, I pressed start. Stop.
Does it say record?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's a happy mail from Dolores Dot. She's super excited for me to open this and receive it, and I am too. Very, very excited.
Don't do it towards you, Mom.
Oh. Take a peek. Oh my god. It is a Brother XL-3750. Oh my gosh. With the best thing, which is a walking foot. Oh, that's adorable. And I think it has freeform foot. Oh. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Free arm sewing machine with quilting features. I've turned it to the Spanish side. Quick change press foot. I don't know, I'm going to have to sit and study.
Are you sure that's the Spanish side?
I think it's Spanish and English mixed together.
Oh.
Not sure. Oh my goodness.
That's the walking foot.
Ah.
You could do some cool stuff with that.
Yeah.
Like jeans and
Yes.
a cover.
Oh wow, I like that cover. That's a nice cover. That's cool. Very, very cool. That's nice. Oh, you can put maybe patterns that you've been working on in there. That's awesome. Can't wait to see it.
Take out this box so you could put in your hand.
What's in there?
I don't know. Look.
Eh.
Wait, Mom, there's music going on in the background.
You can't hear it though.
Okay.
Oh, this is the foot, the walking, not the walking foot, the freehand something. Can't believe it. That thing. It goes on the side. I'm going to have to do a lot of learning. Look at these little legs. And then you can adjust them.
Oh, it's that thing right there in the box.
Yeah, that. Oversized table for large project. So it's an extender then. Okay, let's put that together.
Lift a little more. I just told you to lift a little more. Here's another. Oh no, this.
There's the directions. Oh. Oh my god.
Cool.
Oh my
I like how it's
goodness.
not too big at all.
It looks very friendly. Doesn't it?
It does. It's not intimidating.
Awesome, awesome. Let's see.
Open up that, right? Doesn't it come with stuff inside that?
72 stitch function, easy stitch selector, automatic one-step buttonholer, jam resistant drop-in top bobbin, quick change press foot, super easy automatic needle thread and bobbin winding system. Yeah, it does come with things in there, but we need to read the directions completely before I go taking anything apart.
Does it come with a bobbin, do you think? Because isn't that what we were missing also?
Yeah, she knew we were missing just the bobbin, but she wanted to get me a whole new machine.
Wow, that's cool.
Thank you very, 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 very much, Dolores.
Thank you.
I'll catch you guys later, and you'll be seeing me using this as soon as I figure out all the directions. Catch you later.